Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and make sure to subscribe if you want more updates. We all know that Samsung played the big number game this year with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It has every big number possible and according to new updates, they might be going one step even further with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now without any doubt this is way too soon to confirm any of this, but it has been rumored that Samsung is working on a 150 megapixel camera which might be present on the Galaxy S21. And this makes me excited but also so much afraid after seeing how the 108 megapixel camera of the Galaxy S20 Ultra turned out to be. So many issues, so many unfixed bugs even months after launch, some hardware deficiencies, some software, and this is why a 150 megapixel camera scares the bejesus out of me. The one good thing is that Samsung is at least going to ditch the laser autofocus system which has caused some of the major problems on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. They are once again going back to the extremely quick and reliable dual pixel autofocus. Also, this is not rumored but this is my personal wish that Samsung should also bring back the dual aperture system. They needed it the most on the Galaxy S20 Ultra because of the largest sensor and they decided to remove it, so I really hope it returns. The telephoto lens on the Galaxy S21 will be 64 megapixel. I hope we can get 10x optical this time around. It is further paired with 16 megapixel ultra wide lens, 12 megapixel macro lens and the last one 3D time of flight camera. Samsung is also testing two batches of optical image stabilization. The first batch includes OIS on main telephoto and selfie camera and the second batch has OIS on main telephoto and the wide angle camera, and only one of these is going to find its way on the Galaxy S21. Personally, I want OIS on selfie camera more than OIS on wide angle because I think that wide angle is so much wide that EIS is just about enough for that, and literally no one has selfie stabilization which is really important for vlogging and stuff. Let me know your favorites in the comment section. There is no doubt in the fact that Samsung will indeed be making a 150 megapixel camera for themselves and others. Xiaomi once again has called dibs for first use and Samsung will probably be the second manufacturer to have 150 megapixel. Now look Samsung, hey, I'm all in for trying new technology and pushing beyond the limits, but I just don't want to be on the suffering end of your testing. Indeed, go for the 150 megapixel camera, I don't care, but only implement it if you're sure that it's not gonna blow up in your face like the Galaxy S20 Ultra did. Also, what happened to your new rule that we test new stuff on the mid-range phones before bringing it over to flagships? I liked that one. Also, if you don't know, Samsung has a plan to reach 600 megapixel camera in the next couple of years, and this is what actually makes me believe that there will indeed be a 150 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S21 series or at least on one of the Galaxy S21 phones. Let me know guys your thoughts about the 150 megapixel of the Galaxy S21. I am scared but excited. Make sure to subscribe for more Galaxy S21 and Note 20 videos. Hit the like button if you really enjoyed this. Give me a follow over on the Twitter side of things, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.